Need to send a message to multiple contacts on WhatsApp at once? I will show you exactly how to do it. Watch the video until the end to learn a useful trick that will make your life easier. So probably to send a message to multiple contacts, we need to use the new broadcast feature in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone, and afterwards in the Chats tab, click on this plus icon just right here. And from the list of the options, click on the new broadcast just right here. From the list of the contacts, select them to send them a message. By simply clicking on them, tap Create to create a new broadcast, and afterwards enter the message that you want to send. After you have entered the message, simply click on this icon just right here to send the message, and that's pretty much it. You have just sent the same message to multiple contacts at once. And also, as the bonus tip, prepare message templates in advance and save them in separate note so you can easily copy and paste them later. This will save you a lot of time. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more useful videos. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.